All right, let's see. Pa. Okay, so goes in a little, then goes out. Okay, so and then write R here. This is a pa pa. Okay, at the beginning, let's see pan chan. Okay, pan. You stop here, goes down a little. So this is a pa pa. At the beginning, okay, you put one more tooth. This is a Xi'an pan. Okay, so and then you write Xi'an chan, pan chan is the traveling expense, some money for the trip. Okay, so in the middle, let me see. Okay, I make up this word, not really make up, I create this word papaya. Okay, so like the fruit papaya. Okay, so pa. Okay, stop here. This is a pa at the beginning. It goes down a little. There are more. It means there are more. Okay, so papaya, pa in the middle. Okay, it's almost the same. See? Okay, and then ya, papaya is the fruit. Okay, pa in the end, lam pa. Okay, it's like a primitive, very original stuff. Lam pa. Okay. All right. So then you put L for L, and then this tooth in the middle is A, and then you put M here. Lam pa, primitive, original. All right. Let's work on P. P. You just repeat pa. You put a dot here. P. Let's see. P. At the beginning, it should look like this. For example, there is a bird called a peng. Okay, so p, and then this tooth means n, and then this means g. Okay, n, and then p. So this is a peng for this very large, fabulous bird in legend. Okay, peng. Okay, that's an example I can think of so far. Okay, in the middle, let's see, le mu pen. Okay, so le mu pen. Okay, so if you put a dot here, this is a p, and n, you have to go this way. So pen. Okay, then you put L here, le, so this tooth, and the dot is and then m, le m pen. Is kind of a shed or shack for animals to live. Okay, so let's work on the next one is P, so you just repeat it. Okay, so far it just looks like ah. Okay, so just look like a pa, and then you put yi here. Okay, you just go a little bit more, and then start here. You make a yi here, so this is a p. All right, so let me think of an example. p. Okay, so for example, 飘. It should look like this. This is yi. Okay, this long stroke means yi, and then you put an o here, 飘. So okay, this is romanized text, 飘. All right, so 飘什么什么飘什么 like in a way of floating. 什么 is like in this way, in a way of. And then this 飘 corresponds with the Chinese 飘. Okay, they borrowed a lot of Chinese word. Okay, so 飘 means like a float in the wind or in the water. Okay.